think we got a big one coming now. Let's see here. Let's see if it's a big one. Yeah, that's a big one. Bigger anyways. I've been sitting here unloading these cars, and I've done watched probably a half dozen planes come in for a landing. So, let's get it on video. See what it looks like. Oh, and then you got a itty bitty one way over there. And you got the big one. Yep, he's got his landing gear down low. Looks like it's coming right at you. Well, that may be military. That may be the Air Force. We got an air base right here. Over the top, brother. Woo! Right there's the runway. Yeah, that's what I get to do when I'm in Alcoa unloading cars. Watch planes.